Yeah. I want to talk about this. And this, I won't call it top secret, but people been getting away with it. Believe it or not. Trust me. I know because I've talked to somebody on the inside that's actually a Boost Mobile representative. All right. She told me, and this is a story behind this look, it says preloaded SIM kit. Okay. Best value in wireless, new customers only, exclusive 3-month plan. Limited talk, plus text, 5 gigs of data. Plan includes 3 months of unlimited talk, text, plus 5G, and 4G data. Okay. So this package that you see on your screen, all right, service is already activated. Okay. Service is already activated. And yeah, you pay for it. You out the door, right? You pay for it so they can scan it. You out the door. Okay. And then you get the Boost Mobile app or Boost Mobile website. You put the login information. You sign up, right? Okay. Boom. You activate it. But wait, what I was told, and this is true, what I was told. Okay, the reason why they lock these up in Walmarts is because people steal these SIM cards, right? And again, look up in the corner. It says preloaded SIM. So the SIM is already activated. You just have to put in the credentials. Your credentials, your name, your last name, email address, your home address, and then what phone you're using it on, and the SIM card number. And you got service. But people been stealing these. You see what I'm saying? People been getting away with free service for 3 months. Now, I know some of y'all might like, man, 5 gigabytes ain't jack, man. I could use that up in like a minute. I get that. But this is why they locked up in Walmarts. This is why you have to ask a associate, a Walmart retail person, or, a phone rep, to get the SIM card, because these are already activated. And once it don't go off the metal detector, you can run out the store with it. You see what I'm saying? You can run out the store with the SIM card kit. And it won't go off. It won't go off. That's why a lot of people got away with it. And then not only that, that's why they're getting locked up in Walmarts. Because these SIM card kits from Boost Mobile are already activated. All you got to do is just log in. Boom, you got your free service. I'm not saying it's a hack. I'm not condoning it. But this SIM card kit is the most dangerous kit. It's the most dangerous because, like I said, people can snatch and grab, or grab and go, whatever you want, wherever you want to call that. And that's why these SIM cards from Boost Mobile have been locked up. Actually, that's why they starting to lock up the SIM card kits, period. Because once you get that, there I go again at the top right-hand corner, preloaded SIM kit. That's the key. Preloaded. It's already loaded. It's already got 3 months of service. People getting service for free out of Walmart or out of Targets or whatever, Best Buys, whatever. Because these are available. These are available in Best Buy. Well, my Best Buy, yeah, it's available. Like, anybody can grab a kit and the metal detector won't go off. Or whatever, the detector won't go off. So they could get away with 3 months of service. I'm just saying, I'm just throwing it out there. Hate it or love it. This was happening in the industry. This was happening in retail. Get stuff like this. Yeah, people thirsty, bro. But again, you got to have a phone that's compatible with Boost Mobile anyway. So it won't even work if your phone is not unlocked. If your phone locked to a certain network, it won't work. So You still got to put in your phone serial numbers and all that, IMEIs and all that. You still got to put all that in there. I'm just letting y'all know, man. This is the most dangerous SIM. The Boost Mobile SIM, the 3-month SIM. Whether it's the 5 gig one, I think that they got a 15 gigabyte one too. But I'm just using this as an example of what was happening. So it is what it is, man. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. Does your local Best Buy or Walmart or Target lock up your SIM card kits? Especially ones that say preloaded. Meaning you don't have to put nothing on there. It's already set up. You just gotta log into the Boost Mobile app. It's crazy, bro. Again, let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. It's your boy, Two Phones. I'm out.